Hello all, and in this assignment we would like to get connected in 5 different groups. Please note some jobs are very much group specific. Like if you are visible in the job, you will get the notification of that job. All the jobs are not promoted or not listed in the public profile of LinkedIn. So you need to be connected in the groups as well. That is the main benefit of having a good connection in the groups. So how you can try out that thing? So first and foremost, write your area of interest or any probable group name. Just enter. After that, you can see there are lots of things over here. So you need to click on this. Okay, groups. After that, you will have a list of groups which are related to the keyword you have entered over here. So now I would like to have this I would like to be a member of this 63K members group. So now I will just send a request for joining this. Once the group admin will receive my request, and if they accept me, then only I will be able to see the post available in the group. Why it is important? Because some job posts are only limited to the group, so that will be very much essential to add 5, at least 5. You can go till 50 in the relative field, and 5 will be like prominent one. So please add it. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment in the assignment, and all the best for this assignment, because this is quite powerful assignment to continue with. Thank you. Thanks for watching.